Need to know how to wash a weighted blanket? Here are the basic steps to follow. Weighted blankets are wonderful for relaxation and sleep, but they do require special care to keep them clean and fresh. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to clean and maintain your weighted blanket, whether it's filled with glass beads or other materials. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get many more household tips and tricks. Let's get started. The first step when it comes to washing your weighted blanket is to check the care label. This label will provide important information on how to clean your specific blanket. Look for washing instructions. The label will specify if the blanket is machine washable or if it requires special care. If your weighted blanket has a small stain, consider spot cleaning it to avoid a full wash. Blot the stained area gently with a damp, clean cloth and a mild detergent. Rinse the area with water to remove the detergent. Allow the spot to air dry completely before using the blanket again. For weighted blankets that are machine washable, here's how to do it in a front-loading washing machine. Place the blanket in the washing machine, ensuring it's evenly distributed to maintain balance. Use a gentle cycle with cold water and a small amount of mild detergent. Avoid using fabric softeners or bleach. Run an extra rinse cycle to ensure all detergent is removed. If you have a top-loading washing machine, you can still wash your weighted blanket with care. Place the blanket in the machine, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Use a gentle cycle with cold water and a small amount of detergent. To prevent damage to the machine, consider using a duvet cover to encase the weighted blanket. Some weighted blankets are filled with glass beads, which require special attention. Ensure the care label allows for machine washing. Use a duvet cover if possible, as it provides an extra layer of protection. Wash the blanket on a gentle cycle with cold water. Inspect the blanket after washing to make sure there are no leaks or damage to the beads. After washing, it's important to dry your weighted blanket properly. Tumble dry the blanket on a low heat setting. Include a couple of clean tennis balls or dryer balls to help evenly distribute the weight and prevent clumping. Check the care label for specific drying instructions, as some blankets may need air drying. To keep your weighted blanket in great condition, here are some maintenance tips. Avoid exposing the blanket to direct sunlight for extended periods. Periodically shake or fluff the blanket to maintain its even distribution. Store it in a cool, dry place when not in use. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to wash and care for your weighted blanket, whether it's filled with glass beads or other materials. Following these steps will help ensure your blanket remains clean and cozy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Taking care of your weighted blanket is essential to enjoy its comfort and benefits for a long time. Goodbye for now, and sweet dreams.